My dear SS, welcome to online class from Vijayanagar Government Secondary School. How are you? I hope that you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Alhamdulillah, I am very well. My dear SS, last class I discussed about clauses. Now I am going to discuss the classification of subordinate clause. Now I am going to discuss the classification of subordinate clause such as number one subordinate noun clause, number 2 subordinate adjective clause, number 3 subordinate adverb clause. Now again, subordinate noun clause, subordinate adjective clause and subordinate adverb clause. But here there are 8 types of subordinate clause. There are 8 types of subordinate clause such as adverb clause of place, adverb clause of time, adverb clause of purpose, adverb clause of cause or reason, adverb clause of result, adverb clause of manner, adverb clause of condition, adverb clause of concession and adverb clause of comparison. Okay. Now I want to say about the subordinate conjunction. Every subordinate adverbial clause has various subordinate conjunction. You will follow on the whiteboard and take your khata and write down on your khata. Okay? Listen to me what I say, such as adverbial clause of place, conjunction. Those conjunctions are where, whenever. I can say adverb clause of place, where, wherever. We can say sit where you are. We can say sit where you are. Number 2, adverb clause of time. Adverb clause of time, when, while, where. Here we use the conjunction and we shall make a sentence. I shall start when he will come. I shall start when he will come. Number 3, adverb clause of purpose. That, in order that, lest, so that, etc. Now we can make a sentence about this subordinate conjunction of purpose. Follow. Walk carefully lest you should fall down. You should fall down. Number 4, adverb clause of cause or reason. Because, as, since, etc. For example, I couldn't attend there because I was ill. I couldn't attend there because I was ill. Number 5, adverb clause of result. That subordinate conjunction that, so dash that, such dash as, such dash that, such dash, etc. Now, for example, we can write here he is such a fool as you can't depend him. He is such a fool as you can't depend on him. Number 6, adverb clause of manner. As save money. For example, hello my dear SS, save money as you want to invest. Save money as you want to invest. Number 7, adverb clause of condition. Adverb clause of condition: if, unless, in case, however, provide that, etc. For example, we can write here, if you win, I'll give you a prize. If you win, I'll give you a prize. Number 8, adverb clause of concession: though, although, even if, etc. For example, we can make a sentence: even if I'll die, I won't part with it. Even if I'll die, I won't part with it. The last number, adverb clause of comparison: such dash as dash as, than, the same dash as, such as, etc. For example, we can make the sentence: the cow is as black as coal. The cow is as black as coal. My dear SS, from the beginning class I discussed about subordinate clause. We know that subordinate clause has three classes or three types of subordinate clauses. That means subordinate noun clause, subordinate adjective clause, and subordinate adverb clause. Here we knew that there are 9 types of subordinate clauses, such as adverb clause of place, adverb clause of time, adverb clause of purpose, adverb clause of cause or reason, adverb clause of result, adverb clause of manner, adverb clause of condition, adverb clause of concession, and adverb clause of comparison. Now I will ask you that why we will learn the subordinate clause. আমরা কেন subordinate clause টা জানবো, কেনই বা subordinate conjunction শিখবো? If we do not learn about subordinate conjunction, we can't change simple, complex and compound. We can't change simple, complex and compound. যদি আমরা এই সকল কনজাংশনগুলো আমরা জানতে না পারি, তাহলে আমরা সিম্পল, কমপ্লেক্স এবং কম্পাউন্ড অর্থাৎ সরল বাক্য, জটিল বাক্য এবং যৌগিক বাক্যগুলো পরিবর্তন করতে আদৌ পারবো না। So we had to learn about the conjunction and gain more and more knowledge from the clause, and we memorize the condition of the subordinate conjunctions. Okay, now write down on your khata and pick out main clause and subordinate clause. Main clause, and you will find out the main clause, you will use or you will follow the subordinate conjunction. Subordinate conjunction. Work fast, list. Work fast, list. You should miss the bus. You will find out in the sentence which is the main clause and subordinate clause. Okay. Number 2, if you work hard, if you work hard, you will get a chance. Okay. Chalo. Number 3, this is the watch. This is the watch which I bought. Number 4, this is the place. This is the place where he lives. Where he lives. I know where he died. My dear SS, now you will find out the main clause and subordinate clause, or you will find out subordinate adverbial clause. Which clause is subordinate adverb clause of time, subordinate adverb clause of manner, or comparison, or condition, okay, etc. Here we are going to find out the main clause and subordinate clause. At first, or from the beginning, we find out the main clause and subordinate clause. After then, we shall find out the subordinate adverbial clause of time, or adverbial clause of place, or adverbial clause of result, or adverbial clause of condition, etc. At first, number 1, work fast. Here it's a main clause. List, here subordinate conjunction. So you should miss the bus, subordinate clause. Number 2, if subordinate conjunction, if you work hard, here if you work hard, subordinate clause, that is added, you will get a chance. Here it is main clause. Here it is main clause because there is no any conjunction from the beginning of the sentence. But if subordinate conjunction of condition is used as subordinate clause, if you work hard, here it is a subordinate clause, but you will get a chance, it is here main clause. Number 3, this is the was, main clause, this is the was main clause, which I bought, jeta ami kinechilam, which I bought, here it is subordinate clause. This is the place where he lives. Here this is the place main clause, where therefore it is a subordinate conjunction, অর্থাৎ that means subordinate adverbial clause of place, where he lives. Here it is a subordinate clause. Number 5, I know main clause, where he died, subordinate clause. My dear SS, I hope that you will get a proper chance from the online class of Mujibnagar Secondary Government Secondary School. When you will follow the classes, you will know more and more about the classes. Now I am going to write down about your homework. You will write down on your khata, which you will try it again and again. You will learn. Homework, you will pick out the conditions or result or supposition, purpose, condition. That means we knew that 9 classes of subordinate conjunction. So you will pick out the which is the conjunction least, such as least, though, as, such as, where, when, what, that, unless, since, as. My dear SS, I pray for you. You will stay at home and you will abide by the rules of health. See you again coming classes. Thanks all. Allah Hafiz.